Imagine you're trying to make a global payment. You've got a deadline looming, and you need the transaction to go through smoothly. But Airwallex is new to you, and you're not sure where to start. Sound familiar? Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to break down how to make a payment on Airwallex. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to choosing the right payment method. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk a bit about Airwallex. It's a financial technology company that provides global payment solutions. Think of it as your digital wallet for international transactions. Setting up your Airwallex account. Visit the Airwallex website. Create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your business. Verify your identity. This might involve uploading documents like a passport or driver's license. Funding your Airwallex account. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. Here are a few options. Bank transfer. This is the most common method. Simply transfer funds from your bank account to your Airwallex account. Credit card. You can also use a credit card to fund your account. Debit card. Some regions allow you to use a debit card to fund your Airwallex account. Making a payment. Log into your Airwallex account. Navigate to the Payments section. Select the Make a Payment option. Enter the recipient's details. This includes their name, address, and bank account information. Choose a payment method. You can use the funds in your Airwallex account, or you can add a new payment method. Review the payment details. Make sure everything is correct before confirming the payment. Confirm the payment. Once you confirm, the payment will be processed. Tips for making payments on Airwallex. Check the exchange rates. Airwallex uses real-time exchange rates. Make sure to check the rates before making a payment to get the best deal. Use the Airwallex app. The Airwallex app makes it easy to make payments on the go. Contact Airwallex customer support if you have any questions. The Airwallex customer support team is available to help you with any issues you may encounter. Making a payment on Airwallex is easy. By following these simple steps, you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.